All right, welcome. Today we're diving into a revolution that's probably happening right in your pocket. It's called FinTech, and honestly, it's completely changing how we handle, move, and even think about our money. So, let's get right into it.
Think about it for a second. If you've ever zapped some money to a friend with an app, or just tapped your phone to buy a coffee, well, congratulations. You are already part of the FinTech revolution. See, it's not some futuristic, complicated idea. It's stuff we're using every single day. But what is it, really?
So let's pull back the curtain a little bit. Because behind that super simple payment app, there's a whole world of technology that's shaking up our entire financial system.
At its heart, FinTech is pretty simple. It's just the marriage of financial and technology. It's all about using tech to improve or automate financial services, making everything faster, a whole lot smarter, and way more accessible for all of us, from you and me to the biggest companies in the world. So, what are the actual tools making all of this magic happen? Come on, let's open up the toolkit and see the powerful innovations that are really driving this incredible change. Okay, so these are not just buzzwords. Each one is a serious game changer. First up, you've got digital banking and mobile payments. That's what basically puts an entire bank branch right in our pocket. Then there's blockchain. Now, the easiest way to think of this is like a super secure shared digital receipt book that's almost impossible to cheat. We also have peer-to-peer lending, which is really cool. It cuts out the traditional bank and lets people lend money directly to each other. And finally, AI-driven analytics, which uses smart algorithms to do things like give us personalized financial advice or spot fraud happening in real time. Put them all together, and these tools are literally building a brand new financial world. Okay, so we've got all these cool new tools, but what's the big deal? Why does any of this actually matter to us or to the economy? Let's break down the real-world impact.
This comparison pretty much says it all, doesn't it? It's a total before and after picture. On one side, you've got traditional finance. You know, the long lines, the annoying fees, and a lot of closed doors. But on the other side, that's FinTech. It's breaking down those old walls, making things way faster, a lot cheaper, and opening up financial tools for millions of people who were totally left out before. It's a fundamental upgrade to the whole system.
But, with any big revolution, there's always the other side of the coin. These incredible advancements, they don't come without some pretty serious risks and challenges that we absolutely have to talk about. Yeah, this is the crucial point right here. For every amazing promise, there is a potential peril. The incredible efficiency and transparency we love can also open the door to new kinds of fraud and data misuse. All that amazing access to capital, it demands ridiculously strong cybersecurity to protect it. And as we bring down costs, we have to demand strong ethical governance so these powerful tools aren't abused. It's like they say, with great innovation comes great responsibility.
Okay, so let's move from theory to reality. Let's look at how this is all playing out in the real world right now. Because this isn't just an idea. Major companies, both the new disruptors and the old guard, are using these tools to redefine finance as we speak.
Just take companies like PayPal and Stripe. They completely changed online shopping by building these incredible systems for fast, secure, global payments. They're the perfect example of how FinTech can build a whole new empire just by solving an old problem in a much, much better way. And what's really interesting is it's not just the new kids on the block. Even the financial giants like JP Chase are all in. They're actually using blockchain technology to make massive international payments more efficient. That right there proves that even the most established players in the game see that FinTech is the future.
So here's the bottom line. FinTech is actively reshaping everything. This isn't some trend that might happen someday. No, it's a fundamental shift that's changing traditional finance at its very core, right here and right now.
And that, of course, leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. We've seen FinTech totally transform payments and banking and investing, but with technology moving this fast, you just have to wonder, what's next? What part of our financial world is sitting on the brink, about to be completely reinvented?